Hey YouTube, Model Train 9500. Here's a video of me running some of my trains on the layout. Right here, this is the, I guess, left side of table 2 here at the end of the yard. And here's Santa Fe, Atlas. And then going around the back there. And here we go out of the tunnel. So that's the lower track of table 2 up here. This part of the rail track still being worked on. But here's a Proto 2000 GP38-2. And coming out of the tunnel. And that's about it for table 2. Let's see updates for table 2 before I go on to the other tables. I went up against the grass here with a paintbrush, and a very small paintbrush, and I cleaned up all the edges for the most part there, so that there's no more white. Just looks a lot cleaner now. And I set a little cargo truck here. And I did a little bit more of the grass in this area. So that's it for table 1. Now come over here to table 2. We got this ready to run SD40T-2, which has a surprisingly large amount of detail considering it's their ready to run model. And those cars there, the yellow intermodal cars, those are Walther's Gold Line. I like those. And now coming up here we got an Athearn Genesis SD60M. I like that one. Some more of the SD40T-2. I like the hoses on the front there. Those are nice. I haven't really worked on this layout much at all since my last videos. But for those of you who haven't seen those yet, I fixed the rocks a little bit. I took some putty to some of the areas, like in here, and got rid of that line that you see right there from where I joined the two foam pieces together. I don't know. But yeah, there's two foam sheets. Oh, right here. You can see right there. I cleaned up those lines. Oh, there's fans in the top of there. That's pretty cool. You can see through the side. So that's it for table 2. Just let this one go by once more. And now we'll come back to table 1. This is the one that I made first. Over there I got the lake with some rocks and trees and bushes and stuff. And then there's this Bachmann. We've got a K4. That's a nice one. I'm down here at this, I got the outside truck running with some Bachmann thing. But this is the, well, what's supposed to be a coal refueler, but I put a little beer thing on there. So you can make it what you want it to be, actually. We'll let the Bachmann come by again. And I'll show you back here behind the tunnel what we got going on. You can't really see it that well, but in here, it's just where all the track runs. Kind of simple. Come back around the back of the layout here. See all the ballast in here. Got the rocks painted. Oh, the ditch light on my SD60M, that came back on. You'll see that as it comes around again. See that left ditch light there come back on. I didn't replace any of the bulbs, it just came back on by itself. I have another top rail up here, but I haven't run it at all. Well, I've run it a few times, but I got a problem over here with the track. It's kind of pointy. Gotta fix that. There's those rocks. See, they look pretty nice, I think. There's just a shot of the layout from the back. You don't see that very much. And now we'll come back over here. This is a big tunnel in here, so I think it's a good thing to have an access way, but a shot from up here. That track down there is 22-inch radius, and that looks pretty nice when running a long train. It just puts it in a more realistic perspective. And then down here it goes into the tunnel, and then down here and you'll see it pop out. Back there. So let's see, now we'll move over here. See all these trees I got in there. Spent a lot of time on them. And right here there's the GP38-2 again. And then the Santa Fe. And there's all this grass I've been working on, adding these fields. Still have to figure out a way to patch that in. If you guys have any suggestions for what I should do, let me know. Up here also, this is still painted as concrete, but I might paint it like the asphalt right there. So let me know if you think I should do that. And then here's the Santa Fe running along with that grass there. And you come up here. And then we're back to where we started. So this is a video running my trains on here. A few little updates. But that's about it. So thank you for watching, and look for more videos in the future.